Hey everybody, we're here at another property. We're going to show you how to do it with a backflow preventer now. First of all, we'll want to shut off the water from the stop and waste. From here, this house has a shut off down below. You can shut it off down in the crawl space, or there might be one down in your basement. So here we turned off the water by making it perpendicular right here. So then the water still flows up to the house above, and the water's still going, but then the water to the sprinkler system right here is shut off right here, and then we just turn this lever right here to let any excess water drain out from the backflow preventer back down here. So that way all the lines are cleared from there, and we can close that back up, and then move to the outside. Okay, we're going to remove the check valve from the backflow preventer right here. Your backflow preventer might not be able to do this if it doesn't have the black insert right here. So as you can see here, we have this black insert. We'll take out these two screws right here, and then this wedge will come out, and then we'll be able to remove this entire middle section. So we'll do that right now. So then we'll just unscrew these two Phillips head screws, and then if the wedge doesn't want to come out, then we can use one of the screws to kind of go right in the middle there. As you can see from this angle a little better. And then, so then just grab onto that screw and wiggle it, and there you have it. The edge comes out, so it keeps the check valve in there, and then the check valve will get pushed back a little bit, and there you have the water, kind of empty it out of it, and then that lifts right out of there just like that. And here's the double check valve, and so this is what you'll want to store inside your house so it doesn't have a chance of freezing, and you'll reinstall it come springtime, just in the reverse order. Okay, so we have this little insert that goes in here. We keep this coupling that was already there, and now we'll put that back in like that, and don't lose the screw. This gauge right here is we're just using it to plug this other hole right here. This is what we're going to actually connect onto to push air through the system. But first we want to secure these screws in here like this, and just be really careful. Do it by hand if you're not used to, because if you don't want to mess it up by going too strong. And now we have this other piece to connect onto the hose. So here we are, and this piece just has the Chicago fitting on this end. The other connector piece to go on just like this, and so we're going to go just like that. All right, so that's our setup. We're all locked in, and so what we'll do is the water's flow is this way, so we'll keep this one closed, and then we'll open up this one to allow the air to come through here and then go into the system, and then we'll open up each one of the valves individually, and we'll do it just manually this time and show you how to do that. So let's get the compressor started, and we'll make it happen. We're just going to grab the solenoid right here and do a quarter turn. And hear the water, air go through. Don't forget to turn off the one you opened and open the new one or the next one. Now, if you don't have any of these connection points in your sprinkler system, then all you'll be able to do is just turn off the sprinkler system and open your valves. You can open them like that, quarter turn, and do that to each one of them, and just leave them like that for the winter time. But just remember to close them when you before you turn your sprinkler system back on the following springtime. And that's it. So if you don't have any way to connect to it, then there's a good chance that you have automatic drain, and that just allows water to drain out of it when it's not pressurized, and that allows it to drain the pipes so they're not full of water and therefore freezing and busting the pipes. If you haven't had any problems before without blowing them out, then you shouldn't have anything to worry about in the future. But if you do have issues, then that's something you're going to have to address by either installing an automatic drain or getting a connection port into the main line, so that way you can blow them out each winter time. So hope this helps. Hit the thumbs up button if it helped. Leave a comment below if there's something that I didn't address that you had questions about, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.